Welcome to the world of C++ programming. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. In part 3, we have learned about the different operators. Now, we are going to discuss the different conditions. C++ conditions and if statements. You already know that C++ supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics. Here are the different conditional statements. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. You can use these conditions to perform different actions for different decisions. C++ has the following conditional statements. Use if to specify a block of code to be executed, if a specified condition is true. Use else to specify a block of code to be executed, if the same code is false. Use else if to specify new condition test, if the first condition is false. Use switch to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. Let us try using the C++ if statement, to specify block of code to be executed if a condition is true. First look at the syntax. Then try the example, and carefully examine the output. The else statement. Use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. See syntax, and try the example. The else if statement. Use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. See syntax and try the example. Shorthand if-else or ternary operator. There is also a shorthand if-else, which is known as the ternary operator, because it consists of 3 operands. It can be used to replace multiple lines of code with a single line. It is often used to replace simple if-else statements. Study the syntax and the sample code. If you have access to the C++ compiler, you may try coding the example code and take note of the output. C++ switch. C++ switch statements. Use the switch statements to select one of many code blocks to be executed. See syntax. How it works. The switch expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the values of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break and default keyword will be described later. C++ switch case sample code. This example uses the weekday number to calculate the weekday name. Try replacing the weekday number to month number, to get the month name. You can get familiar with the switch case statement if you are going to code and run this example into your C++ compiler. Then notice also the break keyword. It stops the execution of more code and case testing in the block. This break keyword will be executed when match is found. C++ switch and default keyword. The default keyword specifies some code to run if there is no case match. Examine the sample code carefully. And look at the switch case statement. The default keyword is being executed if all switch conditions does not match to any of the conditions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates of my new video. See you on my next video.